Are you ready?
I've been drawing for 3 months now, but honestly, I feel like I'm still stuck in the beginner zone. My sketches don't look how I want them to be. I think why not throw myself in the crazy channel and see what happens. Today I'm gonna do 24 hours drawing challenge. Yup, that means no eating, no sleeping, and no bathrooms.
What? Oh my god.
Okay, just no sleeping. Non-stop sketching for whole day. I have no idea will I survive, my drawing will even be good by the end. But hey, it's all about pushing limits and having fun, right? Let's get this crazy challenge started. Draw my drawings after about 3 or 4 hours. I use roll paper because I think that's better and more effective. Oh, it's almost 8 o'clock, which means it's time for the most important things. I tried to draw different poses. Obvious that wasn't easy. I don't really know how to design clothes. I'm just trying to have fun with it. Honestly, this challenge is really tough and exhausting. After this, I don't think I will want to draw again for a while. My main reference was Pinterest. I look at the example there and then draw them, and I look at the example there and then draw them. I think I'm almost done now, and if I can hold one little longer, it will be finished. And finally, it's over. It's pretty hard experience, and right now all I need is definitely sleep. Goodbye.